Hello everyone. In this session, we'll talk about the exterior angle property of a triangle. In our earlier sessions, we saw some new elements of a triangle like median, altitude. In this session, we'll see what is an exterior angle of a triangle. And then we'll prove that the measure of exterior angle of a triangle is related to its interior angles. Let's draw a triangle. So we have triangle ABC. Now we know this area of a triangle is called interior of a triangle, and all the area around it is called exterior of the triangle. So the angles, let the measures of angle be A, B and C. Now what is exterior? So if I extend this line segment BC beyond C, so now in this case, this angle is called the exterior angle. So let me name this point here as point D. So angle ACD is exterior angle. Does that mean I have only one exterior angle? No. If I extend this here, I will have one more exterior angle here. If I extend AC like this here, I will have one more exterior angle. I extend AC this side, then I will have one more exterior angle here. So at every vertex, I will have two exterior angles. Let's draw and see. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 exterior angles. Now let's talk about what does the exterior angle property state. It states measure of exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of remote interior angles. Now what does remote interior angle means? So we'll see what do they mean. So now we see here that we have this angle and this angle A, B and C, which are the measures of angle. So angle A, angle B and angle C, they are interior angles. But which of them is close to this exterior angle? This angle is close, whereas these two angles are away from it. This is close and this is away. So away is remote. So these two angles are remote interior angles. For an exterior angle ACD, angle BAC and angle ABC, they are remote interior angles. So in this case, what will happen is angle ACD is equal to angle ABC plus angle BAC. Now how do we prove that? This is a property we have said, but we need to prove it. We can prove it multiple ways. The first two ways are by physical observation. So what we can do, we can measure ACD, we can measure angle ABC and angle BAC and find that their sum would be equal to angle ACD. So we can do it by measurement. What we can do, the second is we can cut this angle B, we can cut this. So if I'm drawing it on the paper, I can cut them and I can align this vertex A and vertex B with vertex C here, and that will give me this would be angle B and this will be angle A. and I'll see that they actually fit perfectly here, and that way I can prove. So I can prove it by paper cutting or paper tracing. And the third way is we can have a mathematical proof, and we will be doing that using parallel lines and transversal, which we have learned in our earlier chapters. So let's do that. So we have triangle ABC and we have extended arm BC so that we get angle ACD, which is an exterior angle. Now we'll do one more construction. We will draw a line from C which is parallel to AB. Let's call this CE. So what we have done is we know AB is parallel to CE. Now consider transversal AC. So if I am considering AB and CE parallel, and we am considering that I have a transversal AC. Now that gives me that this angle and this angle, they are alternate interior angles. And we know that in case of parallel lines and a transversal, alternate interior angles are equal. Therefore, angle ACE is equal to angle BAC. So we get our first observation. Now let's talk about another transversal. So AB parallel to CE, in that case even BC is a transversal. And if BC is transversal, we see that this angle and this angle, they are corresponding angles. They are corresponding angles. This is parallel here, and hence this angle and this angle are corresponding angle, and that gives me angle DCE is equal to angle ABC. Why? They are corresponding angles. So now from here, what we can see is angle ACD, which is the exterior angle, is equal to angle ACE plus angle DCE, because these two adjacent angles add up to give ACD. And we have seen that ACE is equal to angle BAC. And angle DCE is equal to angle ABC. And these two are interior angles while this is exterior angle. And hence we can see that this measure of exterior angle is equal to sum of the remote interior angles. Remote interior angles. And so we have mathematically proved that measure of exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its remote interior angles. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.